They kind of keep finding new ways to keep taxing people. New tax on Uber. Now there's like a new gas tax. Do this. So I would cut all that out. Make the people, give them a break. Give the citizens a break. Oh, I like being in Chicago. It's a fun city. There's a lot to do. There's really great restaurants and food. My family and friends from childhood are here. But I just enjoy checking out all the different food scene. Whether I like Italian food, Mexican food, or Asian fusion food. They have a lot of options. I haven't since I moved back here. It hasn't been summer yet, so I haven't been able to do a whole lot of like lakeshore drive type outdoor activity yet. I'm just waiting for it to cool back, to get warm again, so I can, kind of hang out by the lake.
Is the weather something that you prefer to be a little different, maybe?
Well, yeah, it was really nice when I lived in Miami for 2 years prior to moving back here. It was always warm, and you go to the beach whenever you felt like it. So that was definitely a perk of that I miss. Just being able to do whatever you want whenever you want.
What's the biggest difference between the two places?
Well, aside from the weather, the people too, it's a very different demographic. A lot of Spanish speaking in Miami, which I kind of like that actually, but there's a lot of Cuban and South American influence there. Whereas here, it's actually probably more diverse in my opinion, because you have some of those demographics that are in Miami, but you have a lot more outside of that. A lot of South Asians, East Asians, and Polish, Irish, Italian, African American. So it's actually a greater amount of exposure, I think, in Chicago, even though Miami is diverse in the sense, but they're all South American or Latin or Cuban or something. So I think the demographics is definitely a big difference.
What would you do if you were in charge of a whole day, the whole city?
Yeah, I mean, so I think I do sometimes have a bone to pick with how the city is run. I think, there's a lot of bureaucracy in Chicago. So I would try to change that. They kind of keep finding new ways to keep taxing people. New tax on Uber. Now there's like a new gas tax. Do this. So I would cut all that out. Make the people, give them a break. Give the citizens a break.